Empty your mind. Be formless, shapeless, like water. Now you put water into a cup, it becomes the cup. Put it into a teapot, it becomes the teapot.
What's up, you guys? I'm back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how I do my eyebrows. First off, I apply sunscreen because I'm actually going outside today. Okay, so I like to put sculpting wax on my eyebrows. Use a spoolie to brush the hairs down. Use this angle brush. Okay, and I use this BH Studio Pro from BH Cosmetics. I use this light color and the darker color. As you can see, the second color is absolutely done because I broke it. And then I underline Miss Tamika because she's super arched and she always has an attitude. Then I underline Miss Tanya because she's more of the sweeter one. She likes to lay low. I like to do one step for both sides before moving on to the next step. That way they come out as even as possible. Remember, your eyebrows are sisters, they're not twins. Well, they're not identical twins, that is. Okay, and then you put your angle brush horizontally, vertical strokes. Blend it in. Check it. Okay, Tamika. And then right here, I take the darker color and kind of just press it into the sculpting wax. And gradually build that gradient effect. Okay, up into the middle of my eyebrow. Okay, and then to Tanya. Get Tanya looking right. Then I go in with my concealer and this flat brush to clean it up. Just use a little bit of concealer to clean that underline. And then I blend that concealer down. Blend. It takes me forever to do my eyebrows. That's why they deserve their own video. Ooh, like butter. Check it. Yup, done. Okay, so now for my eyes. Put a little concealer, dab, dab, dab. Get it in now. Set it. So this look that I'm doing is real simple. I use my Too Faced Sweet Peach. I'm gonna use all the colors. Just kidding. Oh, a little too much. Okay, so I'm not an expert when it comes to eye makeup. Oh, selenite dance. Ward off that evil energy, that evil eye. He didn't. But yeah, I'm not a pro when it comes to eye makeup. I just do what I can. I don't know why I lit that foundation. But yeah, I'm still practicing. And this is one of the easier eye makeup looks that I do. And I wear this eye makeup look at night, or I go to like night events, you know. Ooh, juicy, juicy. I'm reading the comments from my first video, my first YouTube video. I love you guys. Thank you. Okay, so I love this method of applying lashes. You guys really should try this.
With ease.
Tell it. Okay. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Oh my God.
Oh
my God.
Okay. She's cute. She's so cute. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. This time around, I just felt so much more confident because of the support that I got from the first video. Thank you so much, you guys. I love you guys. Until the next video. Bye.